Want to take your real estate photos from dull to stunning in seconds? In this tutorial, we'll show you exactly how to perform sky replacement in real estate photos using Photoshop. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, this sky replacement tutorial will help your listing shine and grab buyers' attention instantly. Stick around as we break down how to replace sky in Photoshop, step by step, with powerful tips to make your edits look 100% natural. This is a must-know technique for real estate photo editors. Cloudy, overcast skies can make a property look dull and uninviting. A vibrant sky not only boosts the mood but also increases click-through rates on real estate listings. Sky replacement in real estate photos is more than just editing, it's a marketing advantage. Let's jump into Photoshop. Open your real estate photo. To start your Photoshop sky replacement, go to the top menu and click on Edit Sky Replacement. New window will pop up. Photoshop automatically detects the sky area and replaces it with a default sky. But you can customize it. Click the sky thumbnail to browse preloaded skies or upload your own. You can change the sky in Photoshop to sunset, sunny, cloudy, anything that fits the mood of your real estate shot. Use the Shift Edge, Fade Edge, and Brightness sliders to blend the sky perfectly. Here's the key: make sure the direction and lighting of the sky match your photo. Always adjust the foreground lighting to match the sky tone. This is crucial for real estate sky replacement to look realistic. When you're happy with your changes, click OK. Then go to File, Export, Save for Web, and save your high-resolution photo, ready for MLS or Airbnb listings. And that's it. Now you know how to replace sky in Photoshop for your real estate photos: fast, clean, and professional.